Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, we're going to show you how you can change iPhone color back to normal. So the first step that we can do here is going to your settings. Now here on your settings, scroll down and find the accessibility. From here, tap on display and text size. In this option, scroll down until you find these color filters. From here, make sure that you disable this option. So as you can see, the color is back to normal. Now go to your main settings and then go to display and brightness. So from here, scroll down and find the true tone option. Make sure that you enable this one. So it will automatically adopt the iPhone display based on ambient lighting. And then make sure that you can set up the night shift if you want to less warm or more warm so you can control the color exposure on your iPhone. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and see you in the next video.